Blessed, blessed, blessed. Star Seed is here once again. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. Alright. Saying. So, yeah, you know, we're going to look at topic today now again. Saying. We're going to try to make the people know what I want. See, a whole heap of people feel some symptoms. But them I wonder what I want with them. See? Some go a doctor tell them say nothing to do them. See? Alright. There is certain things out there hiding from us where them not gonna make we know. That's why we're always in the dark. That's why I'm not ready. A time for wake and come out in the light. Alright. See the whole heap of meat and things where we are eat. I cut off it now, no. Yeah, I eat vegetable and fish and them things there. I'm stop drink all milk and them things there. I'm find out say yo, me feel 10 times greater. You understand what I say? But here we are going to know the reason why. I feel some of us feeling some symptoms. See what I'm going to know is like some new energy. See, okay, energy. You probably wonder what me I talk about. Everything in this world is energy. The wind, water, everything. Everything upon fatherland here is energy. So we are talking about energy coming off, like even we will get some of it come off at the sun, seeing a wave, because that's how it works. Seeing, I'm not going to go down in the depths because that's going to take a long time. Seeing, but anyway, see how the universe works. The universe is like, not is like, the universe operate like how man make computer. You understand what I say? It collect every data and activity and all these things on earth. That's how the thing work. Sensor, you have stars where you have stuff out there like that where just collect information and send it to the higher master. You understand what I say? The Supreme Father God. You understand what I say? That's how the thing work. And we people, see, it's like we hear on a lesson. We're there upon a lesson, and it's like we in a dream. You understand what I say? It's like we in a dream. But here we are going on now. Remember, say when you go to your bed and you sleep and you dream, anyway you're there, don't you feel like, yeah, you're there, you just, it feel, you know you're there, it's like, yo, you wake up and you say, yo, that dream is real. It is real. Of course it is real. But when you wake up, 9 dreams out of 10 of them, you don't remember. Because that's how the veil of forgetfulness. You understand what I say? Yeah. So enough of them, you don't remember them. It's a lesson. You understand what I say? All of these things where you see, where all of these things where you see is real. You wonder what's going on, how you're there. Remember, you know, you're a spiritual being. So your physical body stay here. That's why when sleep is next to death, because once you go to sleep, he's a dead man. And when the spiritual being leave out and travel, you can't move. You're sleeping and you're in that world. So yes, guess what, Gwan? You live in multiple dimensional world. Yeah. You understand me? I say you can go and check out these things. Do no research. You understand me? I say it's a lot of things out there to learn, and these things can uplift a lot of people who are feeling down and who need to find them purpose or who need to find themselves. You understand what I say? That's how the thing work. So the new energy that coming out now from the universe, from off the solar, from off the sun, from we're getting it in everywhere. These are higher vibration. So the symptoms we have feel, the vibration that we have, the energy that we were using, or what we were getting before was a lower frequency vibration. So right about now we're upon a higher level frequency. So it's a higher vibration. So you have to learn how to cope. Yeah. You have to learn how to cope with them high vibration that we're going. You understand? You will feel a lot of symptoms. You will feel like you're just hot and cold at the same moment of time. You understand what I say? You will feel dizziness. It's like more time your mind will run for many things at one time and stuff like that. These are like activation. You understand? Time for wake up. It's natural. Because a lot of us just think about just here physically.